Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry app. Today in this video we will learn what these letter and digits actually the means. So here this two which is right on their left side energy level, a shell number. This is the shell number or the energy level. Here P is the orbital which is present in the energy level, that is the orbital or also the sub energy level. And here this digits actually the number of electron which are present in this sub energy level or in this orbital. So we will read this in as shell number 2 having p orbital contain 6 electron. That's for all today, the learner. Please like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.